gadget lovers, welcome to another episode of Wow Widgets. We are back with yet another cool selection of amazing gadgets and products that will change your life, bring you comfort, and save your time. These gadgets can be bought on Amazon and AliExpress. These gadgets feature some amazing new technology, cool inventions, and unique gadgets that will blow your mind. Today's episode features amazing 3-in-1 webcam, selfie stand, an awesome wireless car charger, a cool Q coding robot, Beanie Bluetooth wireless earbuds, and a cool desktop laptop stand. Make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any of the valuable product. Before we start the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Let's dive into the video. Q coding robot. Embrace applied robotics in the real world. Take learning to code to a whole new level with the Q, the first learning robot designed to teach real multifunctional code at any level of experience. Designed for kids 11 plus, Q engages intuitively with the text-based communication. Q has a vocabulary of over 170,000 words, has 30,000 unique text responses, and comes with 40 challenges out of the box. Job Site Extra Wide Boot Scrubber. The Job Site Extra Wide Boot Scrubber is a heavy-duty boot, shoe, and footwear cleaning tool. Scrubber, scraper, and cleaner all in one. Heavy gauge welded metal frame and sides. High density composite molded plastic holds the strong bristles for long-lasting strength and will not rot or crack from elements of snow, rain, Bernard acids, or weather, which is common with wood wedges used by other brands. Rugged, heavy gauge, welded metal frame can take abuse and misuse. Fench Desktop and Laptops Desk. The Fench Desktop is comfortable and user-friendly desk for laptop and PC. The workstation is constructed from durable steel and lifted higher to use the desk mount, while standing or lower it to use the desk while seated. It is used in many offices to help reduce the pain of waist and neck. It also helps to relieve pressure along your back and reduce strain on neck, back, and shoulders. Adjustable workstation allows you to find that needed healthy balance between sitting and standing up throughout the day. Start standing right away and enjoy the benefits of increased productivity without wasting time on the setup. Beanie Bluetooth Hat. The Beanie Bluetooth wireless hat is made up of 100% super soft knitted acrylic. Woven Bluetooth beanie elastic material fits all standard head sizes. Wireless headphonic beanie keeps your head and ears warm and allows you to call others easily. Its design looks fashionable and cool and looks effortlessly stylish in the Bluetooth hat. It has an upgraded USB chargeable battery. Webcam stand aka selfie stick. This tool is a multi-purpose tool and it is a multi-purpose webcam stand. You are able to make videos at night or take great selfie pictures in dark areas with this ring light. Excellent tool for creating live videos recording with smartphone or computer. Perfect video rig for Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat and FaceTime. It is a flexible tool. 24.2-inch gooseneck arm that can bend to any shape. 360-degree rotating lazy bracket frame. Adjust to any angle for live stream, live broadcast, live shows, selfie or video chat. It also contains a ring light. It has multiple hue and brightness settings to get just the right look. Just choose from the 3 light color and 10 level brightness for your preferred uses. Makeup, lay flat, selfie photos taking, dark scenery, vlogging, etc. It is a very portable device. Easy control on cord to power on and off, or switch to the lightning mode you prefer. USB power, Works well with multiple devices, PC, laptop, battery or power bank. And you can carry the mini ring light anywhere since it is extremely portable for being so lightweight. It also has a phone bracket. It has a width that ranges up to 3.5 inches, compatible with almost all smartphones, with or without a case. Super Danny Wireless Car Charger. It is a smart wireless charger. Allows all Q-enabled devices to charge automatically. Charges wireless charging phones at their maximum speed. It also provides automatic clamping, one-hand operation, easy to use, and ensure your safe driving. You can glance at your GPS, receive hands-free calls, and keep your eyes on the road. It works in most of the vehicles. The car mount can be installed on most vehicles' windshield and dashboard with the included suction cup base and the air vent with the air vent clip. It also provides the 60-degree rotation. Mitiwa Waterproof Phone Case. It is a tough and rugged case compatible with iPhone 7 and iPhone 8. It is a military-grade shockproof case. Premium 3 layers armor defender case provides advanced shock absorption protection, withstands drops from 6 inches, anti-shock, anti-drop, hard and indestructible. It is a case with aluminum alloy hard shell and flexible TPU. Built-in screen protective, dust-proof and sandproof. Durable metal case with impact-resistant bumpers. Offers Under Armour defense for your iPhone 7 or 8. No question asked. Lifetime warranty and 100% money back guarantee or replacement. It is a military-grade heavy-duty case. 3-part construction of shock-absorbing silicone and metal material. Provides heavy-duty protection for phones and keep from accidental drops and shocks. With built-in screen protector, provide full-body 360-degree protection for your phone. Ensures each button and control, provides protection against dust and debris. Recommended to use original size charger and earphone cable. Anti-drop and shock-proof impact case.